Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bromic Digital. So in this video I'm going to show you how could actually receive money that is in United States dollars via PayPal in Uganda. Okay, I know there's a lot of write-up right now, a lot of information online about PayPal in Uganda that you cannot be able to receive money in Uganda. Actually, I also believe this information for a very long time, and it was a big hindrance to my desire to work online for a long time until I was able to figure it out. So I felt when people contacted me in my comment section on how to create a working PayPal account, I decided to share the trick. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you the trick on how to create a working PayPal account that actually receives money in Uganda. Okay, so I'll log into my email address that is linked to my PayPal account and then get to show you the different notifications I've gotten from PayPal whenever I have received money. Okay, so all these notifications you can see here on Gmail. So email, PayPal is always notifies you whenever you have received any form of payment. So here they're informing me how I've received $28. So, and then once you've got a notification from PayPal, that means it's actually instant. Once they say you've received $28, if you went and checked your you logged into PayPal and you want to pay your PayPal account, you'll actually find your money. So here is another notification of $8.69 that I received still from HAL Experts. So if you want to know how you could actually make money with HAL Experts, I made a video on my YouTube channel Bromic Digital, giving you details on how you can make money as a student. So Solution actually, or HAL Experts, pays you for answering questions. Okay, so that's the video I made, or how to make money online as a student. So Solution is to pay you. So these are some of the payments I've received from Solution. So this is $12. Of course, PayPal gets to deduct its fees, and then you get the net amount, which in this case is 11 point something dollars. Okay, so you can see here I received $8.44. So PayPal is there to notify you whenever you get to receive any form of payment. You will get notified by PayPal. So you can see I received $29.50 from someone. Okay, PayPal was able to notify me of the payment, and then I can go and check in my PayPal account and will actually find and actually found that money there. Okay, so I want to encourage you to get a PayPal account today, because PayPal is trustworthy. It's a very trusted money payment platform. Okay, so I will also get to show you. So apart from receiving money, you can also actually be able to use PayPal to receive payments to people. So still, either way, even when you make a payment to someone, PayPal gets to send you an email notification letting you know of the money. So you can see here, you're sending $6 to someone. So if you're sending the $6 to someone, still PayPal gets to let you sends you notification letting you know. Okay, so you can use PayPal to make payments. For example, if you want to purchase a domain name from Namecheap or Bluehost or DigitalOcean, okay, or you want to pay for hosting, you can actually do it from your PayPal account. All you need to have is a PayPal balance. So you can see here I'm sending $1 to Bromic Wellness Center. So basically what I can tell you is that as long as you have a PayPal balance on your account, you can be able to make payments to other people, okay, to other people or to other companies. So here I was sending $25 to TLD Register Solutions Limited. So basically, as you can see in this video, you're able to make payments. So guys, what I'm showing you in this video is very practical, and I'm actually using PayPal to receive money and also make payments here in Uganda. Okay, so it's actually very possible. So all you have to do is watch this video till the end, and then you'll be able to see the trick that I share with you in this video. Okay, so this video I'll try to make all the possible mistakes that you could possibly make and show you why you shouldn't make them, but rather follow the trick that I'll show you in this video, so that you're able to register the account properly, that will be able to help you receive money in Uganda. Okay, so they're telling you PayPal account is an American multinational financial technology company operating an online payment system in majority of the countries that support online money transfers and services, and as an electronic alternative to traditional paper methods such as checks and money orders. Okay, so unfortunately currently in Uganda, PayPal is restricted. You can actually, if you register for a PayPal account without using the trick that I share here at Bomic Digital, you will find that your PayPal account can only make payments but does not have an option for receiving money. Okay, so basically I'll be able now to show you. I'll be able to go to my Google and show you how is it you can create your PayPal account today. Okay, yes, today I want you, if you're already getting value from this video, kindly consider hitting the subscription and notification buttons, and also share the video with other Ugandans, so that they get to know that actually it is very possible to have a working PayPal account. Okay, so go to your Google, input PayPal. So once you input PayPal, they'll bring the PayPal website. Please go right ahead. You see the URL is www.paypal.com/ug/home. Okay, so guys, the trick is, don't register for the PayPal account using UG. Huh? I told you already, UG is restricted in Uganda. PayPal is restricted in Uganda, so change the UG to LS. Okay, LS stands for Lesotho, the United Kingdom of Lesotho. So essentially what you are doing is you are registering your PayPal account in Lesotho. Okay, so Lesotho allows you to receive money in Uganda. So PayPal gives you options to register either as a personal account or as a business account. Okay, so with the personal account, you're able to shop in your country and around the world from your computer or mobile phone, or without sharing your financial information with the sellers. Okay, so business account allows you to accept payments and send invoices to your customers. So I can tell you, PayPal is the thing. Okay, so I want to discourage you from selecting the personal account option, because as you can see, if you select the personal account option, for example here, and then you select your country, okay, so this is a mistake that you could actually potentially make. That's why I felt I should share it in the video, so that you don't make it, because once you make this mistake, you will discover that you cannot actually be able to receive your money. So you see, once you select your country as Uganda, basically the URL up there changes, guys. And once the URL changes, it means yes, you can succeed in creating the account, but that account, like I told you initially, will not be able to receive payments. Okay, so it will only be able to it will only be able to make payments, but not be able to receive money. Yet the real trick that I'm trying to show in this video is to show you how to create an account that can receive money, because you'll notice that is where the big hindrance or the big challenge actually is. Okay, so guys, let's go back, create the input PayPal. So as you input PayPal, the website comes, click on the PayPal website, they'll take you to the home page. Change the URL from UG to LS. Okay, all the solo. So once it comes, sign up. Okay, but please and please consider using the business account option. Okay, so don't mind even if you do not actually own any business. Don't worry, all you have to do is choose the business account option. That is much easier to work with. So input your email address that you want to link to your PayPal, because basically if someone wants to pay you through PayPal, all you do is to send them your email address and then you're good to go. Okay, remember to use a PayPal, to use an email address that has never been registered on PayPal. You see, if you use an email address that has already been registered on PayPal, this is a notification you'll get. It'll tell you this email is already being used for a PayPal personal account. Okay, so I'm telling you either to log in or use a different email address. Okay, so let me look for another email address that we can actually use for this tutorial. I'll look for another email address that has never been used. Okay, I'll look for another email address that has never been registered on PayPal, and then we can proceed and register it on PayPal. Okay, so you can see healthcarefukang@gmail.com. So that one is what now I'll use for this tutorial purposes. Okay, it's a Gmail that I have, so I'll go and use it to register on PayPal. So I hope we are together up to this point. So in case you get any challenge or you are unable to register, so they will require you to put your password, input your password that you not forget. Okay, so I'm telling you that in case you get any challenge, please comment and then I'll be able to assist you. Okay, if you're getting value from this video, please consider hitting the subscription button and also like the video. Feel free to share the video with other Ugandans, because the main aim of Bromic Digital is to share knowledge with as many possible, with many millions of Ugandans, to let them know of this trick and also let them know that they could have PayPal accounts that actually receive money in Uganda, because today, as you notice, it's a big limitation for very many young people, and that is what Bromic Digital is providing the solution for. So kindly consider being part of the solution. Share knowledge. Let's share knowledge as Ugandans, and then all of us, we shall develop the nation. Okay, so input your password. So once the password has been accepted, input your personal information. So they'll ask you for business contact, your first and last name. So just put in Fukang. So if you actually in this place, in case you don't have a business name, feel free to put your own personal names in this space here. Okay, they'll be accepted, because as you see later, there's an option of selecting sole proprietorship, or okay, so that's the option we should actually select. So there's no problem with you filling your personal names in case you don't have a business. So don't say Bromic Digital, we are unable to create an account because we don't have businesses. No. Fill your personal email, personal names here, and there will be no problem. Okay, so in this place, consider changing your phone number to your home country. In this case, I will select Uganda, and then once I've selected Uganda, I'll be able to fill the rest of the digits, the phone digits, and we are good to go. Okay, so I'll fill Uganda here and then proceed, okay, by filling the rest of the phone numbers there, and then we are good to go. Okay, kindly don't forget and include the 0 because there's already 25 plus 256 there. I'll go back and delete the 0 before the 7. Okay, so kindly consider just using just starting from 7, 8, 9, 2. Don't put the 0 before. Okay, yeah, I'll edit that. Let me first fill the rest of these other details here. So you have to fill your business details. So the address, if you just put in your address wherever you are, if you're in Soroti or Lira or Jinja, put there. So me, I'll put Bugolobi because that's where I am at, and then put your town or city, the village. Okay, fill the information, guys. Fill the information. Don't worry about the postal code. Postal code you can always, if in case you want to be exact, you can just Google. Okay, just say Bugolobi postal code in Google, and then they'll bring it for you. But me, just putting code 0 still okay. Yeah, putting code 0 is still very, very fine. Okay, so don't forget to put your primary currency. The primary currency is the United States dollar because you'll be able to receive your payments through dollars. That's why you will be required you'll be required to set your primary account, your primary currency as the dollar. But guys, I made a video on Bromec Digital YouTube channel that you could actually have other accounts like Pioneer, Wise. Okay, those ones allow you to have accounts that have multiple currencies such as the euro, the dollar. Okay, so go and watch that video and then create those accounts also because they will help you as an online worker. So once you filled all the information, say agree. They'll ask you the type of business, choose individual or sole proprietorship, and then select the product or service. So select anything, guys, because you notice that probably you'll not be able to find your line of business or your service, or if you consider just put food supplements here, but you say I can't find them, and therefore I'll just select any line that is close to that. Okay, so that shouldn't be restriction. Select anything from there. Yes, select anything that you could be dealing in, no problem. The account will still be created. Okay, so guys, once you fill that, they will ask you that your date of birth. Okay, because they want to know that your all those personal details are very key from paper, because you are creating an account that actually receives, guys, which receives money. So they need to be a little tricky. Okay, so a little serious. So consider setting a date that makes you at least above 18 years old, because PayPal doesn't accept children or minors. Okay, so the national ID. So guys, just go to Google again and search Lesotho national ID. They'll bring some sample IDs. Just copy the national number, the ID number, and make a few edits. Okay, so I'll just select one and then I make a few edits on the number, and then we are good to go. Okay, so guys, Bromec Digital is solving the challenge of failing to have a working PayPal account that can receive money in Uganda. So Bromec Digital on YouTube is providing the solution. So share, inform anyone that may need this knowledge, share the video, notify them, guys, of this information, so that we able to start making money online as a country and as individuals. Okay, so if you have any challenges, please don't forget to comment. I'll be able to assist you and respond accordingly. Okay, so I hope this video is going to solve many because I've noticed most of the comments about how to set up a working PayPal account in Uganda. So I just hope that this will help you to address all the concerns that you initially had. Okay, so you can see once you fill all the information, create, submit. So once you've submitted, PayPal will review and then they will according you the account. Okay. Okay, so guys, boom, kaboom, guys. Yes, we are good to go. We now have a working PayPal account that can actually receive payments, guys. Are you super excited as me? So guys, I can tell you this information took me years to discover. That's why I have a lot of excitement, because it took me a lot of time to discover how to create a working paper that can receive money in Uganda. So it is my great pleasure to share with you this knowledge, so that you also apply it and have, and receiving payments in Uganda should no longer be a challenge. Okay, so guys, if an account, for a PayPal account that receives money, your interface will have PayPal balance, which is 0.00 US dollars. But if you don't follow this trick that I share on Bromic Digital YouTube channel, if you just create your PayPal account anyhowly, you notice that your interface will not have the PayPal balance. Okay, and if you can't find PayPal balance, it means that you can't receive money in Uganda, guys. Okay, so you can see money in, total received, and total sent out or spent. Okay, so guys, in summary, we have achieved our goal, we have achieved our objective, we have achieved something that has been disturbing you for a very long time. So this is how simple it is to actually solve it. Okay, so don't forget to confirm your email address, because PayPal will not make your money be reflected on your PayPal account unless you've confirmed your email address. So click there and then you confirm your email address. So they'll tell you confirm this email address. They will send you notification on your personal email address now to your Gmail, where you'll find a link and you'll be able to click on it and confirm the email address. Okay, so once you've confirmed the email address, then you can start receiving payments, your money, right away. Okay, so I'll just sign in to show you a notification where it's telling you please activate your account. So you go right ahead and confirm your email address and click here to activate your account, and it will load. So you input the password that you actually use to register for the PayPal account, and then once you put your password and say confirm email address, then your email address will be confirmed and you will start transacting online. Okay, so the objective of Bromic Digital YouTube channel is to help you to make money online, and therefore we want to ensure at least 10 million Ugandans are transacting online and are having PayPal accounts. Okay, so share the knowledge, please. Inform all people who might need this knowledge that actually it's now possible. Bromic Digital has made it possible. So consider hitting the subscription button